the small orchard area where we've got the pears that I've featured quite a bit in recent months seems to have had quite a bit of windfall, and I actually think that this is because the pears are now ready to be collected. So I'm just reaching out to get one or two of these pears. It's got a little bit untidy here, but I intend to do some heavy pruning on these trees. As I was talking, I've just dropped this pear, but if I tell you that it's fallen on soft ground and it's not bruised, you can see that they are actually really good sized pears, and although they're not the most pleasant to look at, and for some reason this season they tend to have picked up these spots, like I said, when we've peeled them, it's just on the surface. So great, I'll go and add these to the harvest bag. Right, so we've done the pear harvesting for tonight. There's two types here. This is the conference variety, which is very familiar to a lot of people. Take it from me, pears are a fabulous fruit to eat. When they've fully ripened, I can't think of anything more delicious. Well, I can actually, because mango's my favourite, but when it comes to a ripe pear, you'll do well to find anything that comes close. So for those of you thinking about maybe investing in a tree in the future, give pears some consideration. And if it's space that you're worried about, then there are plants that you can get for the patio. So yeah, look forward to seeing how these taste. They should taste fine because we've been picking them for the last couple of weeks. Right, I wanted to show you that I really meant it when I said that these blemishes that you see on the surface of some of these pears, they're not anything really. And what I've been doing, once I've got myself a ripe pear, and we've let one or two of the pears that we picked earlier on in the week ripen, just peeling it away like so is revealing a really lovely texture. So it didn't take me very long to peel these pears, and we're going to probably chop some of them up and eat them fresh. But one thing you can do with them is poach them, and I might do that, but I might just have it with some ice cream, and obviously need to take the tops off these as well. But I just peeled them, and yeah, so grow pears, they're great, and again at this time of the year it's another produce to be harvesting from your garden or your allotment. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed what you've seen, then please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. Until next time.